Good morning. Magandang umaga po sa inyo. Kilak Runners. Yung ating mga runners, flavor medals, and later, yes, ayan, kaway sa ating drone.
Tuloy na.
Sabay kayo. Sabay mo una. Asa na lang?
Ayan. Yung mga lalaking runners po, dumiretso kay Kagawad Bimboy. Yung mga babae, magandang umaga.
I was living a lie for all I know. There were so many nights full of dark temptation. There were so many nights that I regret. Give me something
Ba't ka malungkot?
And once again, congratulations. Congratulations to our winners of And yes, once again, yung mga nanalo po ng ating 3-kilometer run ay ipapadala po natin sa Israel. Congratulations. Delivering bottled water. Once again, maraming salamat, Asian. Ayan, napaka-support po naman ni Asian Vision. 18 winners. So, 5 kilometer run, 6 din. So, yung 3 na yun, yung 6 na yun, 3 sa lalaki at 3 sa babae. You can have yours. Ayan, natin session. Your place at Castle Yes. Ayan. And once again, you can have your... Yes, once again, the Aviation Vision for the free bottle, which is all brought to you by Damn Good Cafe. Hello sa lalaki at sa... Okay, once again, we will be selecting 3 winners from every category. We will be selecting. And yes, once again, we would like to thank the round-led organizers we have. We have sponsored Apple Water. Napakalaking tulong para sa ating mga runners. Ayan, and of course, once again, para po sa ating mga kararating runners, meron tayong free bottle ng Good Cafe. Which is located at Laguna.
Congrats!
Para sa Energy Hub, Kuya Bob Delgado, our former club. Once again, maraming salamat po. And to all free cupcake brought to you by Damn Good Cafe. Our Civic Run Leg 1 2025. D-Wise, is it D-Wise or D's? Frozen yogurt and of course, Damn Good.
Madali lang pa.
And yes, of course, we would like to acknowledge.
Ito.
Congratulations. Ating Asian best. And masarap ba yung ating cupcake? Masarap. Ayan, of course. Ayan, as yung sarsa. One committee, we have our race organizer, coach, our race director, we have Dayan. Yes, the ever beautiful. And yes, once again, later on, we will be awarding the ever beautiful. Of course, ang sa director ngayong araw, we have Kawan Kim Boy, Pamatawan, and Tita Jasmine. Hyundai. Baka po may nakapulot po ng susi, pakibigay na lamang po kay Ma.